Silay ka talaga yung magandang reaction eh.
Sayang yung wala.
Kanina, okay ka tumulian. Ano ang sa
Kay kuya din.
Screaming! Screaming!
Wala mo lang. Wala na lima to. Yeah, don't worry.
Wow, tingnan mo oh, ang lalim.
Nakaka-real na yung sounds.
Ay.
Live ka.
Feeling ko ano,
Wala pa yun. Wala pa yun.
feeling ko na disarrange na yung mga intestines ko. Oo. Yung spine ko andito nasa harap na yung spine. Oo, yung pag gano'n ng sand, oh. Nasalat pa din siya, oh. Move your arms. Move your shoulders. Yung ano kasi. Kasi nakapatag pa eh. So, sayaw-sayaw muna. Nakaibig.
Susada. Ride every day here.
That's look like Toyota.
And then you
No,
ask Kuya how to drive, and then you will
We will have business like
you will
this.
take you. Hindi, gagawin niyang hobby. What's your hobby?
Sa kuya.
Hmm?
DJI ata yun na.
Hmm?
DJI.
Nice. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda tingnan. Sa kanila din yun, diba?
Sa kanila. Akala ko mga lokal, mga ano pa. Ganito pala ang ginagamit nila. Kaya
So
mga
fast.
patrol at yung cruiser, ano nila. Malalaki.
I can see.
See, it looks so cool, right?
Amazing.
Oh, yeah.
I will try my best no reaction challenge. No reaction challenge.
ഇവരോട് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കണ്ടത്
Nakala ko si Shay. Meron.
Shake your booty.
Shake your boots. Na may isa tulo may cleaner.
Ah.
Yung isa sa Ate Milani. In half Indian. Pero Pinoy. Ano na yan. At sa may-ari. Hi sir. Sasakyan na lang.
Ayan na. Pag ganun yung music.
Oh. Reaction challenge.
Oh.
Music. Music. Oh, no reaction challenge.
Okay,
ah.
sige, sige, let's try it.
That's right, that's our reaction challenge. Well, bye. Ay, no, no, no. Reaction challenge.
Imposible!
No, kaya na.
Wow! So cool! Nonchalant, nonchalant. 1 second lang nonchalant. Oh my God! So guys, we're here right now. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
The second round. Okay lang, kailangan magandang sa camera. But then the camera. See the sun.
Ayun na! Mount Everest na tayo.
Oh boy!
Akala ko ba no reaction?
I like it, the slide.
Again.
What are you saying? No reaction challenge.
No reaction.
No reaction challenge.
No reaction challenge.
Okay. Starts now.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ayun.
Oh, see, it looks so nice.
It's so far away now.
Gumaganyan na yung sand mo.
I know this is a bridge.
What?
Why am I not going?
lang tawon, oh. Hindi ano sa sand.
Wala yung isa, oh.
We're waiting.
Hulog mo na.
Sinadya yan kay may
Kamay
individuhan.
Alexa ആണെന്നുണ്ട് വയ്യാത്തോണ്ട്.
Next that car is scary.
Don't miss him, yeah. Don't miss him, Shanos.
Oh? Ano, oh. Ang ganda tingnan. Grabe, naliligo sa
Oo.
Siya Khalifa. Yan ang sabi.
Ayaw lang yung pag ganito, di ba? Sa atin lang ito na may ganito. Hindi ba wala?
Sa atin lang.
Oh, swerte natin.
Kana uban man na nagkatong dili private.
Bye, classmates!
Same company sa only land cruiser and like this.
Oh my God!
ഒന്ന് മാറ്റിയെടുത്തരാമോ? ഭാരമില്ല.
Allowed lang ito.
This is very heavy. Slow down.
Nasa oy. Are you okay, baby girl? Don't close your eyes, baby girl. You will miss half of your life. You're not watching the sand.
Yes.
And the place pwede ka nagpagmanap kinahapon.
Yes! Joanne! Sayang talaga. Hindi ka sumama.
Gusto ko pa naman sanang marinig yung pili ni Ate Joanne. Siyempre, paano yun? Malalaki yun.
Paano ang tili ng ano? Oh. Tapos pag ganun-ganun biglang sabi na nga ba eh.
We're in the middle of the what's it?
Ayun na!
See, nandiyan na.
Ito. Kaya nga eh. To the moon.
Skirt, skirt. Are you sure the moon? The moon is very far. All the planets can fit there.
Nice lang yun eh.
Galing no?
Or tubugaman.
Oh, ganyan. Ano ba? Baba naman tayo?
It's a photo stop. You can come